Okay, well, here's the progress on the 2332 VW motor. Basically, I set up this crankshaft, and so I have it's the oil slinger with the smaller bearing there. I have the distributor drive gear. I have the straight cut cam gear, the spacer above it. Then I have the bearing here with the dowel towards the flywheel. I have the rods, which are all turning great and torqued to about 48 foot-pounds because they are 3/8 ARP bolts. And then I just have it sitting on top of the flywheel for now. I have my FK42 camshaft here with the straight cut gear, and that is already put in place. I've got my SCAT lifters. Then I'm waiting, the case shows up today. I have over here, you can see I have my 94s. So these are Mahle 94s B pistons. So the B pistons are supposed to have a 34 millimeter compression height. What I did is I weighed them all. And so you can see this top number, well, let's see, you probably can't see it. 558 grams, 558 grams, 558 grams, and oops, 557 grams, but I'm just gonna leave it as is and not grind anything off of anything. That's good enough for me. Then I've got my push rod tubes. I have a SCAT, I guess that's the oil plate. I have my chromoly push rods. You have to cut them to size, and I have my these are my 1.4 ratio rockers. I have my cam plug, which is one of these rubber and metal ones. We're gonna see how that works. Dipstick. I have my case kit, and I have my CB Performance full flow oil pump, which is a 30 millimeter. So that's what I've got. And as I said, the case comes today, so I'm excited about that. And I'll post as soon as I start assembling stuff.